Hello, today is Saturday the 23rd of May 2026 and I am in Switzerland in Canton Vallis, and I decided to spend this weekend, well, Saturday evening here at Weisshornhütte. And this morning I started from Randa and just wanted to show you. So it's May, okay, it's late May, but it's still May. And this year was, in my opinion, a low snow year. So for May, basically, this mountain should be all white. Like I don't think you should be able to see rocks. Well, maybe, obviously when there's like vertical cliffs, obviously snow doesn't stick to that. But this should be all white, and it's not. And it's kind of early, I guess. But also, so this is Matterhorn, I think. It's 3,400 meters, and that peak right there, I want to say Tinalro. I'm not sure. It's 4,200 meters, because I remember when I looked on the map, I forgot the name. 4,221 meters. But I also wanted to show you, so this side of the valley is still snowy. I mean, not as snowy as it could or should have been, but it's still snowy. But this side of the valley is almost totally dry. And the main reason is, first of all, that direction is south. So we're on a wall on a mountainside that's facing south directly, whereas the opposite side of the valley is facing north. So obviously, like, it doesn't get as much warmth. But I think another important thing is also, like, just because that side is white because of the snow, it also reflects the light back here. So I think this warms up doubly fast, because it doesn't just get direct solar irradiation, it also gets the light that fell on the ice on the opposite side of the valley and then reflects back. Like right now I'm in a t-shirt and it feels very tropical, like yeah. So I came to the cabin, I came to the cabin and there's been nobody here since April, because I checked the logs. There's like a logbook that you have to write in, and last person was here in April. It's warm enough that I'm not gonna make fire. I mean, I'm not exactly sure how it will be overnight, but I'm not gonna make fire. But the problem is there's no water, so I need to figure out a solution for water. Also, that is either a rabbit or a baby mountain goat. I'm not sure. I think it's a rabbit. Yeah, so I think there's, like, I saw some water seepage there where the rabbit is. See where it ran across? So I'm gonna take a canister and go there and see if I can get some water. So the first order of business is to get water, because this snow is really grimy, so I don't want to melt this. And once I have water, I can wash my hands and I can cook and I can make dinner and things like that. And then there's not much left to do. Yeah, I don't want to make fire because it's just a lot of work to do that, and I have a sleeping bag and it's enough. Yeah, but it's really warm. Like, see this mountainside where I climbed up? Like, this is almost totally dry. Like, maybe there was like there might maybe like 3 or 4 snowfields along the way, and the scariest one was 10 meters, and it was scary because it was overlooking like a cliff. It wasn't scary because it was deep, but anyway. So yeah, and it's really warm. Like, when I'm in the sun, I need to be in a t-shirt. But yeah, So mostly I just wanted to start my summer hiking season somehow, because I've done winter hikes this year, but I haven't done any summer hike, and I was really craving one. And yeah, I saw the snow was already melted on this mountain valley, so on the this mountainside within this valley. So I decided to come here. Sorry, it cut off for some reason. So what I wanted to say was, this weekend was particularly nice for hiking, I guess, because it's a heat wave. In Zurich it's like 32, 33 degrees, and even here it's like 15, which is a lot. Celsius, of course. Yeah, because of the heat wave, I think I had this opportunity to start my summer season a little bit earlier, and also I didn't want to spend that heat wave in Zurich, although I have to water the garden now. So this year I wanted, so winding back a little bit, like I really like salsa verde, and I really wanted to make it like authentic. So I bought a pack of tomatillo seeds and I sprouted them, and I'm gonna try and grow tomatillos, because you can make salsa verde with green tomatoes, but it's not really the same. Like you should use tomatillos. So yeah, so now my tomatillo plants are on the balcony at 30 degrees, and they're only like seedlings because they need to grow before I put them in the garden. So I hope they make it through the weekend, because I'm not there. And then when I go back I have to water them, and I also have to water the garden, so, but it's fine. And yeah, I also wanted to say this is a glacier, or whatever is left of it, and you can see where it cuts off, and then the creek comes out of the grotto. Yeah, and it flows into the valley. Yeah, it's really nice out here, and I also brought some study materials, because of course I don't want to be online. Like, what is the point of coming to the mountains if you're going to be online? So I decided I was going to try and learn something, so I brought my notebook and my stuff. But yeah, I'm mostly hoping for a calm evening. I don't think anyone's coming, so on this reservation website that I use, you can see if anyone else booked a room, or, well, not a room, but like a bed, because it's bunk beds in a row, and I was the only one, so it's probably me. And yeah, they start the season a little bit later, because although if you ask me, they could start the season next week, but customarily they will start the season in mid-June maybe. Okay, one more look at the Zermatt Valley with all the beautiful and famous mountains, including Matterhorn is, if I haven't said this already, it's in this direction, but it's 2 valleys away. So not beyond this ridge there's another valley, and then beyond that there is a valley with Schönbiel and Matterhorn. But at least there is some snow on these like higher mountains, like the 4,000 meters ones. But see, like this valley, one second, where it has, so I think that's Pulve, it's called, the peak in the middle of this valley, and I've always wanted to start there. One second. Yeah, so I always wanted to start there and hike all the way up there and just jump that ridge into Zermatt. And I'm waiting for the perfect moment. The upper part has some slopes that are very nasty, and I think to be able to navigate those well, they should be covered in snow. But the lower parts, you don't want to be snowy. So I have to catch the exact moment during the melting process where I can have the best of both worlds. Like this, the lower parts are totally dry, and then the upper parts have just enough snow that I don't have to navigate those nasty cliffs. But yeah, someday. And all that being said, I'm gonna put the camera away and start looking for the canister to get water. And once I get water, I'm gonna wash my hands and have dinner and have a hopefully relaxing and beautiful evening. But as always, thanks for bearing with me. Hope this year is gonna be a wonderful hiking season. And as always, see you later. Bye bye.